Hey everyone! Thanks for listening to Like You. If you want to help us keep making new episodes, you can support the podcast by subscribing through Patreon or Apple Podcasts. A subscription gives you access to special bonus content like affirmation minis, song downloads, and other special perks. Grown-ups can find more information in our episode notes or on our website. You can also show your love by leaving a 5-star review wherever you listen to the podcast. I'm glad you're my podcast friend. Now, let's get on with the show.
Hi, Noah. My name is Teresa. I live in Thailand. I am 6 years old. I like to listen to your podcast every night. It helps me sleep.
Hello, I'm Noah, and this is Like You, Mindfulness for Kids. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you to Teresa for sending in the message you just heard. If any other listeners want to send us a voice message, have a grown-up check our website or episode notes. On this episode, we'll get loose and relaxed as we imagine baking up like muffins. So listeners of all ages, find a place to listen where you feel comfortable and safe. Remember, you're always welcome to interact with this podcast by speaking up to answer my questions or by repeating affirmations aloud. Of course, if you prefer, you can just think your responses quietly in your mind. Let's start with a short breathing exercise. We'll call it muffin breaths. It's going to take a little imagination, unless you happen to have a freshly baked muffin in front of you. If you do, good for you. First, I want you to think about your favorite kind of muffin. Is it blueberry, banana, chocolate chip, something else? Think for a moment, then let me know what your favorite muffin flavor is. Now, if you close your eyes and really think about it, can you imagine what that muffin would smell like? For this breathing exercise, I want you to imagine you have a warm, freshly baked muffin in front of you. It just came out of the oven, and we need to cool it off before you can eat it. I'm going to ask you to smell the muffin and cool the muffin. Each time I say smell the muffin, you'll take a long, deep breath in through your nose and imagine a wonderful muffin aroma. Then each time I say, cool the muffin, you'll blow gently out through your mouth like you're cooling the muffin off. Let's try it now. Smell the muffin. Cool the muffin. Smell the muffin. Cool the muffin. Breathe in as you smell the muffin. Blow out as you cool the muffin. Smell the muffin. Cool the muffin. Smell the muffin. And cool the muffin. Great work. Now your muffin is cool and ready to eat. Imagine taking a big bite, then chew it up and swallow it. Lastly, imagine a warm feeling filling you up inside. It starts in your belly and it spreads through your body. Now, on the count of 3, let's all say, I like me. 1, 2, 3. I like me. I like you too. Your presence is warm and comforting for your friends and for everyone who loves you. Now we'll try a relaxation exercise. Have you ever made a batch of muffins from scratch? You start by mixing together all the ingredients until you have a big bowl full of ooey gooey muffin batter. So right now, I want you to pretend that you are a bowl full of muffin batter. So let your whole body get loose and gooey. Let your arms and legs relax and sink into your chair or your bed or wherever you're listening. Stay loose and think ooey gooey thoughts as you relax from your head down to your toe. Slow your breath and breathe deep and slow. With each breath, relax a little more. Let yourself sink down as you become one with the muffin batter. Now, the next step in making muffins is to scoop spoonfuls of muffin batter into your muffin cups. Then you put them in the oven, and as they bake, the muffins rise up, puffing up nice and big as they become fluffy muffins. So it's time for you to do the same. Imagine you are muffin batter being placed into the oven. Now let a warm feeling wash over you, and slowly imagine rising up like a muffin. Breathe deep, filling your belly and your chest with air. With each breath, puff up your chest a little more. Sit up a little straighter, a little taller, and keep breathing deep and puffing up as you let your muffin rise. Now reach your arms overhead and stretch up like a muffin top poking out of its cup. Now we're going to do both steps again, but a little faster. We'll go back and forth from relaxing like gooey batter to puffing up big like a muffin. Here we go. Relax and get loose like a bowl full of batter. Now breathe deep and puff out your chest as you rise up like a muffin and stretch out your arms. Relax again like batter. Let your arms sink down and get ooey gooey. Then rise up like a muffin as you fill your chest with air and stretch your arms out wide. One last time. Be the gooey batter as your arms and legs hang loose. Then rise up like a muffin, puffing out and stretching up to be as big as you can be. Great job. Now you can relax. Now it's time for affirmations. Affirmations are words you can say about yourself to remind yourself how wonderful you are. I'll say each affirmation twice, so you can listen the first time, then say it together with me the second time. Here we go. I'm glad that I am me. I'm glad that I am me. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. I will speak kindly to others and myself. I will speak kindly to others and myself. I am a good friend. I am a good friend. I have people who love and respect me. I have people who love and respect me. I am unique, and so is each person I meet. I am unique, and so is each person I meet. I start with a positive mindset. I start with a positive mindset. Each day my wisdom grows. Each day my wisdom grows. If any of those affirmations stood out to you, feel free to write them down or just store them safely in your mind to say whenever you need it. If you have an affirmation that's special to you, I would love to hear it. If you'd like to send a recording of your favorite affirmation to play on the show, have a grown-up check our website or episode notes for more information. Now I'd like to end this episode with a song. We start every episode by saying, "I like me," and that also happens to be the name of this song. So feel free to sing, dance, or just keep pretending to relax like muffin batter. I like me. I like me. I grow and change but stay the same. I am always me. What has been has been. What will be will be. I am right here, right now. I like me. Once I was a baby. When I'm grown, who will I be? It grows from who I am today, and I like me. I like me. I like me. I grow and change but stay the same. I am always me. I am who I was. I am who I will be. I am always who I am. I like me. I don't remember everything. I can't guess what will be. But I know who I am right now, and I like me. I like me. I like me. I grow and change but stay the same. I am always me. I can't wait to spend some time together again soon. Until next time, I like you, I'm proud of you, and I'm glad that we are friends. Have a happy and peaceful day. Like You is a production of Perpetual Motion. It is made possible by our subscribers on Patreon and Apple Podcasts. Become a supporter by visiting patreon.com/likeyoupodcast or by tapping subscribe on our show page in Apple Podcasts. You can also tell your friends about the show or leave a 5-star review wherever you listen to podcasts. Like You is written and hosted by me, Noah Glenn. I also composed and performed the Like You theme music and other music that appeared in this episode. Our podcast cover art was illustrated by Maya Sane, and our episode art is created by Lindsay Glenn. Grown-ups can find more information about Like You by visiting our website at likeyoupodcast.com. Thanks for listening.